can't hear you guys. Yeah. Guys at home. Okay, now you have it. John Pope. Are you guys feeling good? It's fun to make music together, so.